Let's look at Market Penetration Index, or MPI, a critical metric that reveals how your hotel is performing against your competitors in the battle for occupancy share. MPI measures your hotel's market share of occupancy compared to your competitive set. In the increasingly crowded distribution landscape, understanding your penetration isn't just helpful, it's essential for strategic positioning and revenue growth. The formula is straightforward but powerful. MPI equals your hotel's occupancy divided by market's average occupancy multiplied by 100. When your MPI exceeds 100, you're outperforming your competition. Below 100, your commercial strategy needs immediate attention. Consider this example. Your hotel achieves 75% occupancy while your competitive set averages 68%. Your MPI would be 75% divided by 68% times 100, which comes to 110.3, indicating you're capturing 10.3% more than your fair market share. Why does this matter? Because MPI strips away excuses and reveals the truth about your commercial performance. It's not about slow seasons affecting everyone. It's about whether you're getting your fair share regardless of market conditions. Hotels with consistently strong MPIs typically have robust distribution strategies, effective revenue management systems, and compelling value propositions that resonate with their target segments. Are you ready to transform your commercial approach by focusing on metrics that truly matter? Visit hotelladder.com to discover how to leverage MPI and other critical KPIs to drive sustainable competitive advantage in today's technology-driven hotel landscape.